Hi everyone, in this video I will say how to convert a Word file into PDF format. Right. See, this is the Word file you are seeing here. This file is in MS Word. Right. Here we are having a question paper. Now I need to convert this to PDF so that it is not that much editable, we can say. For example, you may have to save your CV or some photocopy of some card or certificate to PDF, so that way also you can do. So file, save as, very simple. File, save as. Now wherever you want to save this, go to that location. For example, I want to save this in C drive or my documents, wherever it is you want to save. Then here you are having save as type. Save as type. .docx means it is saving by default in MS Word format. .docx. Now you have to click here and select .pdf. So this is for PDF format. Now give the name of the file. If you want to change the name of the file, you can change the name of the file here and click save. So that's all. It will create the file in the PDF file. Now this is our PDF file. Yeah. So this is converted into PDF file. So why we do mostly in the PDF means so that we cannot change anything here. So we convert the file into PDF. Now you can, if you have an image, for example a certificate, photocopy of a certificate that you want to change to PDF, that also we can see now. So to convert an image into .pdf file, to convert an image into PDF file, you go to the folder wherever it is available. You go to this folder and copy this one. For example, I have an image here available. This is considered your CV or Aadhaar card or something, whatever it is. Copy this one and come to MS Word, file, right click and say paste. Clear. If it is small one, then you make it big. Ensure that A4 is selected. For example, if this is small, you want to make it big to a page size, simply drag here like this. Clear. Now you can convert in the same way. File, save as, wherever you want to save, go to that location and convert this to PDF. So when you do like this, so your image is also now converted to PDF file. This is the PDF file in which it is converted. Clear. So if you have any doubts, in this way you can convert anything, any file extension to .pdf. If you have any doubt, do mention in the comment section. Do like to this video and subscribe if you are not already done. Thanks for watching.